Whether you are enjoying it in a savory dish or sweet dish, peanut butter is guaranteed to make a delicious treat. Peanut butter is loved by many thanks to how many different ways it can be enjoyed. These delicious peanut butter bars without graham crackers are sure to be one of your new favorite snacks. These delicious peanut butter bars are the perfect treat for any occasion. They are simple to make and require no baking experience. You'll love how easy and tasty these peanut butter bars are. Peanut butter bars without graham crackers facts. Peanut butter bars are a tasty snack loved by many. Most peanut butter bars contain graham crackers, whether it is in the crust or mixed in. Graham crackers make for a great crust or some texture when mixed in. Though graham crackers are delicious, they are not for everyone. Some people are not a fan of the taste, whereas others can't eat them because they contain gluten. Luckily, these peanut butter bars contain no graham crackers and taste amazing. Not only are the peanut butter bars in this post gluten-free, but they are also no-bake. This makes them a simple treat that those who have a gluten intolerance can still enjoy. What you will need to make this peanut butter bars without graham crackers recipe. Ingredients: 16 ounces creamy peanut butter, vegetable oil cooking spray, 14 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, 2 cups confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 6 ounces semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate, chopped. Peanut butter bars without graham crackers, step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Spray the 8-inch baking pan with cooking spray. Line the bottom and 2 of the sides with parchment paper, leaving a 2-inch overhang. Melt 1 stick of butter. Mix butter in a large bowl with 1½ cups of peanut butter and vanilla. Mix until fully combined. Step 2. Stir the confectioner's sugar into the mix, adding a ½ cup at a time. Mix until fully combined. Using your hands, transfer the peanut butter to the pan. Press it flat to smooth out the top. Step 3. Combine 4 tablespoons of butter and chocolate in a metal or heat-proof bowl. Set the bowl over a saucepan with 2 inches of simmering water. Stir with a rubber spatula until fully melted. Step 4. Remove the chocolate from the heat and allow it to cool for about 3 minutes, stirring regularly. Pour the chocolate over the peanut butter bars, tilting the pan to ensure the chocolate is evenly spread. Step 5. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of melted butter with 1/4 cup peanut butter until smooth. Let stand for around 5 minutes to allow the mixture to thicken up. Gently pour the mixture on the bars, a small amount at a time, and use a toothpick or wooden skewer to create designs. Step 6. Refrigerate bars for at least 4 hours or until firm. Cut bars into 2-inch squares and serve cold. These peanut butter bars are so tasty and easy to make, it will be hard to keep your hands off them. When you are ready to serve them, run a paring knife along the edges without parchment paper. Use the parchment that overhangs to lift the bars out of the pan, and then cut them into 2-inch squares. Tips and tricks. These peanut butter bars make for a simple and delicious snack. You can also add in some toppings on top or mix them in, such as peanuts, pretzels, oatmeal, wafers, caramel chips or chocolate chips. This will add some extra crunch and flavor to the bars. These peanut butter bars can be kept in the fridge for up to a week, loosely covered. You can also store them in the freezer for up to 4 months. Allow the bars to thaw in the fridge overnight after freezing. These peanut butter bars are best served cold. Not only do they taste great served cold, but serving them cold also helps prevent them from melting in your hands. You want to make sure to avoid keeping the peanut butter bars out in the heat, as they will not hold up well in warm temperatures. It is best to keep these bars in the fridge for as long as possible before serving. Though this recipe calls for semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate, you can use your favorite type of chocolate. Milk, dark and white chocolate all pair nicely with peanut butter. It is recommended to use creamy peanut butter in this recipe for smoothness, however, you can use your favorite kind. If you like a bit of a crunch, you can use your favorite crunchy peanut butter. If you don't want to melt the butter and chocolate over a saucepan, you can melt it in the microwave. Place the butter and chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave for 10 to 15-second intervals, stirring each time until melted. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.